Ooh, so much money. Huh?
Hey!
Ah!
Hey! Get back here! Wait!
I need to hide my money! Oh, this hole in the wall is convenient. I think I have an idea! I'll put my money in the hole and keep it safe with the 3D pen. Start by drawing an outline. Then create diagonal lines. Do the same in the opposite direction. Now make it look like a spider's web. Draw circles starting at the center of the mesh. Just like this. My money is safe. Oh no!
I've got you now!
So this is how it ends?
You dropped this.
Oh.
As you can see, we have many beautiful flowers.
Sorry.
As I was saying, your job will be to care for them.
Ooh, so pretty. This one is so cute. Oops! Phew, that was close.
Are you paying attention? Good. Follow me. The watering can is over there.
Wow, such responsibility. This seems easy enough.
Don't water them too much.
Got it. Oh no!
Look at this mess! Clean it up!
Absolutely. You can count on me.
What do we have here? I want you to take this pot and clean it.
Oops!
And breathe.
I'm so sorry. I'm trying my best. This doesn't look good. Although, I think I know a way to make things better. There's no need to throw out this plant pot. Just grab a 3D pen. Start by drawing down the side of the pot. Apply the plastic at the very edge of the plant pot. Make sure you don't miss any spots. Almost there. Once that's done, create a strand of plastic from one side of the split to the other. We want to join both sides up. Perfect! Next, start to draw lines across the pot. Then start to fill it. This may take some time, but it'll be worth it. Again, try not to leave any big gaps. Now, fill in any cracks using the 3D pen. This will stop the crack from spreading and add strength to the bond. Now to add some color. What a difference! Hi.
Oh my. This is satisfactory. Don't break anything else.
Got it!
Sorry. What a great sleep! Hey! It's my birthday! Happy birthday to me! Now, what should I do? I know. It's in here somewhere. Aha! My decorations! Gotta have that birthday atmosphere. Something's not right. Hey! How's it going, buddy? I have a surprise for you. Close your eyes. Huh? Close them! Ta-da! A balloon? For me? It's wonderful! Well, it is a special day. I'm gonna hang it on the wall. Although, I have an idea. I need my 3D pen. Check this out. Inflate a balloon and start to draw around it with a 3D pen. Create loops around the balloon. Keep circling the balloon until it's covered. Once that's done, take a pair of scissors and cut off the end of the balloon. Once the balloon has deflated, gently remove it from the cage. Then, place fairy lights inside the cage. Now we have some party lights! I'll hang it right here. It looks so cozy. I love it! It's better than a trash can fire. Let's celebrate. I'll get rid of this mess. I've got the cups. I'll set the mood. And we need a cake. Time for my birthday wish. Huh? What happened? It's the wind! It's okay. It's just the weather. I spoke too soon! Happy birthday!
Another peaceful morning. I better get ready. Wake up! Morning! Time to brush my teeth. I'm still sleepy. Oh, this tickles. My teeth are sparkling. Oh no! Maybe she won't notice. Okay, what's next? Makeup's looking good. Oh, my earrings! I better put them on. Where's the other one?
Don't look at me! No idea!
She suspects nothing! This is so strange. What am I gonna do? I think I have an idea. Using a 3D pen, start to draw a triangle. Just like this. Keep the lines tight together. Once you reach the base of the triangle, start to use a different color. We want to make a watermelon. Use different colors of green for the rind. Then add black dots for the seeds. Randomly add the black dots, covering the red plastic. Once you've finished, flip it over and add an earring stud. That looks fashionable and delicious. But we're not done. Use the 3D pen to draw small lines. Repeat this on the opposite side. We want to create a leaf shape. This is looking good! Flip the leaf over and attach a small clear straw. Use scissors to cut the straw. This'll hold the leaf to your ear. Wow! These look great! Huh?
Oh, I want to be a plumber!
I knew it! Oh, the first guest!
Hey, girl! Mwah, mwah.
You look great! So do you! Happy birthday! Oh, a phone case? Thanks, but I already have this one. Sorry. But I have something else. Here you go! I have teeth. Right, of course. There must be something else. Oh! I forgot I had this. I'm so sorry. Wait, is that a 3D pen? I think I have an idea! Place your phone on a flat surface. Then start to draw on it with a 3D pen. Work from the bottom up. Be as creative as you like. Just make sure to cover the whole phone. Try not to miss any spots. But obviously avoid the camera lens. Make sure to take your time around this area. Now draw around the side of the phone. The idea is to create a safe and personalized phone case. Just like this. Okay, so I got you something else. Wow! I love it! Great! Can I go in? Oh! Another guest! Hey! Happy birthday! I got you a present! Careful! Well, that was rude. Whatever, I need to get dressed. This belt is so cute. But it's a little small. Oh no! Not my nails! They're ruined! This is a disaster! Look at you! My poor nails! Loser! You are just the worst! It's fine. I can still save this. This might be useful. I've got it! For emergency nail repairs, start by placing tape over your fingers. Use a wooden stick to press the tape around your nail. Then, use a pen to draw an outline. Remove the tape from your nail. Place the tape on a flat surface and draw the remainder of the nail, creating an oval shape. Use a 3D pen and fill in the nail template. Just remember to stay within the lines. Next, create a slight curve in the plastic by bending it around a pencil or something similar. Then, remove the fake nail from the tape. Do this gently. We don't want to break another nail. Use a pair of nail scissors to trim the excess plastic off. Use the ink as a guideline. All that's left to do is put it on. Do this with your other fingers for fabulous fake nails. Looking good, girl! Wow! Now I'm ready! They look amazing! Huh? Hey! Watch it! Quit it! Move! What's your problem?
Look at the time! It's time to clean!
Get out of here!
That's it! Take that! You better run!
Well, I showed her. Life is gonna throw up some little problems, but a 3D pen can always save the day. What was your favorite hack? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos just like this one.